Hello, how are y'all doing today? I have just come across one thing that, with the Christmas time in here, it kind of made me start thinking, and it's a bit set. This is something that everyone should have at their house, whether it's in the car or at the house, because you have all your Phillips bits. You have in every different size, 0 all the way up to number 3. There are different size Phillips bits in different styles. I don't know if you can see that. But there's different bits. They all stick in here good. Here's the other style. I hope you can get that. The way they're made. Also, they have all your Allen, your flats, your Torx, your tamper-proof. The tamper-proof will have a hole in the middle of it. Not sure if you can make that out. And they'll have that in the Torx and in the Allen bit. And they will have this metric or American. But this is something here. I have found a listing for this in Amazon, and I'll have a link below down in the description. But the set that I have found has a little driver bit with it, and that's okay. That's something that is most definitely valuable. All of these here are something that you'd want to put into your electric drill or any type of deal situation like that. And so many people always ask me, what is this one here? This one is actually for a wing nut. Kind of a strange looking deal at first. I thought, well, what did they put that in there for? There's very few wing nuts left in the world. Also, I have that I use myself is a extra long, and this is not a big name brand. This is King Tony's, but this works out great because you can take and put a bit in it, and then you can reach into those hard places. I'll see if I can find a link to one similar to this. If I can, I'll leave it in the description below. But again, I want to just come on here right quick, and with us having to assemble everything come Christmas time, this is most definitely something that would be valued. The one that it comes with this kit through the Amazon is about 6 inches, I believe. But it is a ratcheting, and it goes left and right. So lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So it covers everything. But then you even have your square bits and your other type bits. You can see that here. That's why they call this a tamper-proof set, because the ones with the hole in it, and then these 3 styles right here. But again, I do appreciate you coming on here. I know this is going to be really a quick one, but I thought it was something that every person, there is no exception to this one, that needs to have at the house, because there's nothing as far as bits go that you can't tackle with this set here. So again, I appreciate y'all watching. Use the links below. It helps the channel. I'm trying to grow this. And y'all have a great and wonderful holidays, and see y'all soon. Thank you.